Hey, Charlie.
Yeah. Move from 0 to
Sup cuties, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, as you can see by the title, we are going to be unboxing my 13-inch selfie ring light. I got this light at a very good price from Techlit. I would put their website and the link down below in the comment section down below so that you go check it out. I got those ring lights from their website, and trust me, we are coming to unbox it and see how it looks like, how it feels, how it works. So yeah guys, I'm taking the light out of the packaging. This is how it came. It wasn't from any faraway place. I'm at La Paz. Their shop is at Painters Road, but they do delivery. You can order on their app, on their website. So yeah, I took out the stand. I got it in pink because why not? I took out the stand. You can put all 2 phones. So yeah, I think 2 phone heads. So I took out the stand, the phone head, and the light itself. So basically, that's what I'm doing: taking everything out of the packaging and laying it out, trying to figure it out. How am I going to fix this thing? But yeah, I watched a couple of videos on YouTube, and we are good to go. So basically, take it out. It's been put upside down for easy packaging, so I'm going to unscrew the bottom parts and then turn it around. Yeah, so you put it back on to get the stand. You make sure it's secure, like you screw it securely. Make sure it's secure enough so that it would stand properly. Now I'm putting the 360 head. That's what is going to allow the light to turn in different angles. If it's for a product shoot, you can tilt it down in whichever direction you want the light to be facing. That is what is going to help it. This one was so easy today. They didn't even come with a manual bar. It was so easy to figure out. So yeah, I like how portable it is. I didn't fix it well. I hadn't tightened it enough, so it was kind of wobbly. But after I did it well, it's firm and steady. And trust me, this light is bomb. I love it. The quality, the finishing, everything is exceptional. Yeah, I'm demonstrating how you can tilt it for a product shoot or whatsoever. I'm trying to figure out how to fix the phone holder, and yeah, easy as ABC. I'm tightening it so that it wouldn't slip. You can take 2 phones. So in case you're doing Instagram Live, Facebook Live, you can have 2 phones and do your live simultaneously. This one was trying to be better in advance. I was able to figure it out. You know, this same light, people are selling it for 200 cedis, 150 cedis, so many prices, like very high, and I got this for just 88 cedis, less than 100 cedis, and it's 13 inches. It's amazing. The quality and everything. I know the stand is too short, but you can use it with any tripod. You can get a tripod for it. So right now we are coming to test out the light. Wow, this This light is so bright. It has different notes like on and off. You can bright it higher, lower. It has different modes. It has the daylight, the white light, the fluorescent setting. So I'm just trying to test out the different settings on it. The bright, you can see how bright it is. It's very bright. It's very, very bright. In case you're having a product shoot, you can tilt it down, like whichever way you want it to be. You can do it whichever way you want it to be. So I'm just testing it out at the moment. You see, why am I even serious like that? Just me. Inside me, I was so excited and jumping for joy because I've been trying to get a ring light on budget for some time now, and it's been so difficult. Like, it's so overpriced. The moment I saw this on their Facebook page, I knew I had to get it. So guys, yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you think, and I'm going to do an updated video later.